Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to showcase what we believe is the best cape for salons. The waterproof nylon salon cape by YELEGAI. This cape is perfect for hairstyling, cutting, dyeing, shampooing, and even makeup application. Let's dive in and explore why this cape should be your go-to choice in your salon or at home. First, let's talk about the material. Made from high-quality nylon, this cape is not only lightweight but also waterproof, ensuring that you stay dry and protected during any service. Its chemical-resistant properties are a game-changer, as they keep your skin safe from any harmful products that might spill or splash during the treatment. Imagine how great it feels to have a barrier between you and the mess that can sometimes accompany haircuts or coloring. The design of the cape is incredibly practical. Measuring 30 by 33 inches, it fits most adults comfortably. And the adjustable neckline ensures a snug fit for everyone, whether you're cutting hair for a client or styling your own locks at home. This one-size-fits-all feature is a huge plus, making it versatile enough for both men and women, and even kids. Plus, it's easy to put on and take off, making your salon experience smoother and quicker. Now, let's address the care of this cape. It's machine washable, so you don't have to worry about any lingering stains or odors. Simply toss it in the washing machine after use, and it's ready to go for your next appointment. The durability of the nylon material means it withstands multiple washes without losing its quality or shape. Another impressive aspect of the YELEGAI cape is its ability to provide excellent breathability, even while being water-resistant. This means you can stay cool and comfortable during those long appointments without feeling overheated. Whether you're a professional stylist or just looking to do your own hair at home, this cape enhances the experience by allowing you to focus on the task at hand without distractions. The cape is available in a classic black color, which not only looks sleek but also helps hide any minor stains. This simple yet elegant design is perfect for any salon decor and offers a professional appearance that clients will appreciate. Portability is also key here. At just 2.24 ounces, it's incredibly light, making it easy to store or transport. Whether you're a mobile stylist or need to bring your tools to a client's home, this cape is compact enough to fit in your bag without adding extra weight. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and stylish cape that protects against hair, chemicals, and spills while keeping you comfortable, the YELEGAI waterproof nylon salon cape is your best choice. With its affordable price of just $5.99, it delivers incredible value without compromising on quality. We highly recommend adding this cape to your salon essentials or personal grooming kit. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy styling!